Happy Monday, English 112 students. Today I want to cover our Week 2 Monday memo, which gets us working on our Module 1 for this semester. So I just want to say before we cover the information, remind you all that this is a 12-week class. So, and it's fully online. So we are working on a semester's long worth of stuff, 16-week semester, consolidated into 12 weeks. So just remember that it will move very quickly, and I don't want you to be surprised when there's a fair amount of work each week to do, because we are compressed by about 25%. So by now you should have done your entry verification, emailed me, and taken your syllabus quiz. So let's go ahead and review what we have for the semester. You have essentially 4 modules this semester. The first module, if we look over here in your bar, your left bar, is the proposal memo and the annotated bibliography. So I want to go ahead and click there first. So this first project for your semester is really the guiding project for your whole semester. This class is a class that is asking you to write and research in the disciplines. And when I say in the disciplines for this class, what I mean is your specific discipline. The beautiful thing about this class is it's going to allow you to tailor it to your needs and what you want to major in and eventually have for your career. So your entire semester is going to be focused on doing a research project within the field of study that you're interested in pursuing. So for your first module project, you're going to propose your topic of study. You've got to figure out some sort of controversial topic and question within your field of study. And if you don't know what you want to do, that's fine. Just think about something you might be interested in doing. This is a good place for you to explore that. And you're going to research all perspectives, I should say, on that topic. So this first work that you have to do is do a proposal memo. You're going to do a formal proposal on your research topic, and you're going to come up with your annotated bibliography for your sources that you will use for your research paper later in the semester. So this is the first module. The second module, which will happen in about 3 weeks, is the rhetorical analysis essay. So you're probably familiar with doing a visual rhetorical analysis if you came through Coastal's 111, English 111 class. This is very similar. You are going to do a rhetorical analysis of an academic paper, a scholarly paper, using one of those sources that you found for your annotated bibliography. Once we complete that module, the final big module in the class is your research paper. You are going to research this question that you come up with in your proposal memo. You will do a research paper presenting both sides of the research topic that you chose. You're going to do it objectively. You're not arguing for one side or the other. You're going to present all the aspects. And finally, you'll do a presentation, a PowerPoint presentation that's narrated as your final module, and it's the information from this research paper. All right, so to get started with your Module 1, your proposal memo, again, the main objectives of doing a proposal is to organize yourself and come up with the main topic that you want to study and present that information to me, your instructor, to approve or not approve your proposal. And then with the annotated bibliography to find your 5 sources on that topic. So that's the ultimate goal of Module 1, is to come up with your research question, organize your schedule, and come up with your 5 sources. All right. You want to go ahead and click into this proposal and annotated bibliography assignment sheet and read it very carefully. Again, that's right here under Module 1, and it's right here at the bottom. So read that. I have some sample proposals and annotation or a template here for your proposal memo. You have to follow these guidelines. Your proposal must look like this sample. Then I have some sample annotated bibliographies. In addition, I have an APA quick guide and research help for the proposal memo for you to be able to organize and format what you have in APA format. Everything we do, with the exception of the rhetorical analysis essay, will be in APA format. Then you want to come down to week 2 and read through what we've got to do each week. Every week, you'll have a folder that will open, and it'll open at 6 a.m. on Monday morning. All you have to worry about every week is that week's work. You don't have to think beyond each week. That way you don't get overwhelmed. So for week 2, which starts today and runs through Sunday, September 24th, you've got 2 main goals. 1 is to choose your research topic, and 2 is to complete your topic and source development worksheet. So right now you should begin thinking, what am I interested in studying? What do I want to do? All right. So in every week's folder, I tell you, hey, this is what you've got. You've got 2 PowerPoints. You've got some informational handouts. In this case, I've got some links for you, and then your worksheets. So this particular folder, I tell you how to follow the steps. So you want to read through this and follow these steps carefully. This walks you through the week, the first week's work. 2 assignments. You've got your first virtual attendance assignment. It's a topic and issue discussion board. That due date is Thursday, September 21st. I know I've normally said it's going to be on Tuesday, but I'm giving you a couple of extra days since it's the first week. And then you've got a worksheet to complete by Sunday. Both of these assignments are fairly lengthy, so you want to let yourself have enough time to do them. All right. So once we click into a folder, here's all your information. You want to go through. This is all of the stuff you need to do. You go through it at your own pace, but you want to go through it and follow the instructions. Your virtual attendance assignment is asking you to come up with a topic and to use Coastal's Libraries database. So you want to go ahead and follow these instructions fairly closely. Then here's where you submit your worksheet that's due on Sunday. If you have any questions, please feel free to email me and or come by and see me in my office or set up a virtual appointment. I'm happy to do virtual appointments. Anything you need, I'm happy to help you and get your questions answered. All right. Again, let me know if you have any issues and anything you need answered.